Hi, welcome to Tag Arcade. And in today's tutorial, we are going to be installing Unreal on the Mac computer and creating a Hello World application. So if this tutorial helps you out, click on this nice little button on the top right hand corner. So what we're going to go ahead and do is go to the Unreal website by going to www.unreal.com. And let's go ahead and create something powerful. So I'm going to hit the get started now. Since I already created an account earlier, I'm just going to type in my username along with my password. Okay. And I'm going to download this for the Mac. Okay, so that's finished downloading. So let's go ahead and go with our Epic installer. And I just drag and drop into my applications folder. Well, let's go into our applications and let's find our Epic installer or Epic's game launcher. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. Come on, where are you? Oh, it's all the way back here. Okay. Okay, initializing update, and we are downloading some updates. Okay, so, oops. Let's go back to our Epic game launcher. And once again, sign in. Yeah. Okay, and let's see, where is our Unreal Engine? Here's my Unreal Engine. Let's go ahead and get started and install the engine. Yeah, that's fine. Let's go ahead and install. Okay. Woohoo! It's done! Okay, so let's go ahead and launch Unreal. And let's go ahead and close the browser. And let's close all these stuff too. And here comes my Unreal. Okay, so we have our project. Let's see, what do I want? Going to create a new project. I'll just start with a blank one, why not? And we'll call my project Hello World. Oh, no spaces, sorry. Hello World. Create project. Okay, so if you are opening Unreal Engine for the first time, you're going to pretty much get your 2 seats and a table. If this is not your first time, you're probably going to see pretty much a black window. So it doesn't really matter which one opens up because all we're doing is we're creating Hello World. So I'm going to click on Add New on our content browser, and we are going to add a new user interface. So I'm going to select Widget Blueprint. Next, I'm going to call this blueprint message. So this is a message that we are going to show to the player. So if you double click on the widget, the widget or the blueprint editor is going to open up. Okay, once it's open, we're going to go down to our text label and drag it to the screen. Then we're going to change the text, so we're going to go under Content, Text, and change that to Hello World. Next, this is a little bit too small, so if we scroll down, we should see over here the font size. So if this is like a little too small, hard to read, go ahead and use the slider to make it a little bit easier. So right now we're at 24 fonts size. We're just going to change it to 100. And let's make our box bigger so that we could accommodate for our bigger words. We're going to scroll it, or not scroll it, we're going to slide it or place it up to the top of the window and hit save and compile. Once we get that checkbox, we could safely close the window. And now on our level, we're going to go to Blueprints, Open Level Blueprint. Okay, so in this little graph area, we're going to control click anywhere there, and we are going to create a widget. Okay, once that opens up, we are going to select our message because this is what we have to display on our screen. Next, we're going to click on return value, and we're going to just drag it from the blue circle anywhere on this blueprint, on this grid system. And we are going to say add to viewport. Next, this widget has to be updated constantly. It has to be showed on the screen constantly. So we're going to create a new object, and we're going to say event tick. Now we're going to click on this little arrow here, or triangle, and we're going to drag that or connect it up to our widget that we just created. Let's go ahead and hit save, compile, and let's go back to our game and hit play. Okay, wonderful. So we have our hello world on the top, and we get to move around and see those beautiful chairs and table. Once you're done, let's hit escape on the keyboard and compile this program. So I'm going to click on File, go down to Package, Project, and I'm going to select Mac. For me, I'm going to put it under my compiled projects, under my documents. You could put it wherever you want. And I'm just going to hit Open. And our game is being packaged for the Mac. Okay, package complete. So let's go ahead and click Quit Unreal Editor. And let's go ahead and open it. So we're going to go to our documents, go to Compiled Projects, click on Mac No Editor, and here's my Hello World application. Let's go ahead and double click, and let's wait for our application to run. So here's our application with Hello World. And then if I want to quit, I can quit by doing Command Q. So there you have it. If you like this tutorial, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And until next time, have fun and keep on creating games.